Hi friends, happy Wednesday. It's Miss Drywa. So we're still working on our division. We're still going to keep doing the same thing this week, making equal groups to divide. It's nice and easy. Like I said, it's our last week before our break. We don't want to do anything too crazy, but this will also help us because eventually when we come back, we're going to keep working with division. So it's a good little get our feet wet. So we're just going to do a quick review, then we'll do a couple problems together, and then you have a worksheet. All right, so let's get started. So division, making equal groups. So remember our symbols, all right? So I'm going to move this over though for us. So look, we have our division symbol. That's the one we're working on right here, right? Quickly, we have our first number, our biggest number. This is the number that needs to be divided. Remember, it's our dividend. Then we have our divisor, right? This is the number. These are equal groups. This is how many groups we're going to have. And this number here, the 5, is our quotient. That's our answer. That's how many are in each group. Okay, so let's do some practice. So this problem is 20 divided by 4. So remember, as soon as I see this symbol, I know I have to divide. I'm going to have to take this big number here, 20, and divide it amongst equal groups. 4 equal groups. Okay, so let's start with that. So I have my 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And now I know I have to count to 20, putting 1 as I count in each group. So I start with my first group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now I'm finished. I have 20 divided into 4 equal groups. But how many are in each group? Well, they're equal, so if I count one group, I know that all the rest of my groups have the same amount. So, but let's count. So we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can double check just to make sure. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 in each group. So remember, friends, when it's in each group, that means in this group, I have 5 in the first group, 5 in my second group, 5 in my third group, and 5 in my fourth group. So my answer is 5. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Now for my friends that remember their math facts and have them memorized, if you look, you could see 4 times 5 actually equals 20. So division is kind of like the opposite of multiplication. So if you could figure out, so 20 divided by 4, well, in your head, if you can figure out 4 times what equals 20, then you'll be able to figure out your answer. So you could say, well, I know 4 times 5 equals 20. So 5 is the other number missing. We have the 20, the 4, we need the 5. That's if you can remember. If you can't, that's fine. We're going to keep making equal groups. So let's go on to the next one. All right, so now we have a big number. We have 42 divided by 6. This one's going to take us a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to do it. So now for my friends that have their multiplication facts memorized, you can think, well, 6 times what equals 42? Okay, because it's opposite. But for my friends that we're going to make equal groups, let's start with that. So I have 42, that's my dividend, that's the number that needs to be divided. It's almost like I have 42 stickers and I have to divide them equally among 6 friends. Okay, so I have to make my 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have my 6 groups. Now I go to my 42. I have to count to 42, putting 1 in each group, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Woof! That was a lot, friends, but we did it. So now let's see how many are in each group. So I'm going to count for my first group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 42 divided by 6 equals 7. And my friends, if you have your multiplication facts memorized, you would have known that. You would have said 6, I know 6 times 7 equals 42. So I have the 6, I have the 42. What's the other number missing? 7. But if you didn't, we figured it out too. All right, so hear that? Great job, friends. So now you have a worksheet. You'll get to work on that. Same idea, make your equal groups to solve the problems. Some problems tend to be a little longer than others, but it's okay. We're doing it, right? Have a great day. Bye.